It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2015 Lexus RX 350. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Lexus. The driver's door has the programmable memory seat for up to 3 drivers, power door locks, power side mirrors, including folding side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage, and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel, we have the power telescopic steering wheel button, some lighting controls, the power liftgate button, rubber floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior, and a power sunroof up above. Next, I'm going to hop in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. On the left side are the audio controls, and on the right side we have the voice commands along with cruise control. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through that dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, we have some interior light buttons, the power sunroof buttons, a place to store your sunglasses, a compass in the rear view mirror. Here we have our infotainment center. We're able to use that screen as a backup camera. Below that, we have the CD player, our climate control buttons, and to the left is our engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake while holding the button down to start the vehicle. Down below we have the hard buttons for our radio and media options, along with traction control. At the front of the RX 350 we have fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, a 3.5-liter V6 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have the integrated turn signal indicator, chrome roof rails up top, rear tinted windows, and as we make our way to the back, we have the power liftgate. So come take a look at the 2015 Lexus RX 350, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.